everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this gorgeous little bag die that I bought the other day. And I showed the die on one of the videos, and I've had a few people asking if I would do a quick video showing you how you put it all together. So you've got a few options to decorate it. You can just have it plain, you can add those, you can also have a different closure as well. Okay, so I've already made a couple of them. This was the first one I made. It's just so sweet, and you could use a little magnet or a little velcro dot or anything you want to close it really, but it goes together really easy. It cuts beautifully, no problems at all, so I'm really pleased with this sweet little bag. So that was just the plain option that I did, and then I did this one which I cut out the fancy kind of fancy bit there, so you have that option as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is we're going to cut it out just so it will be like plain, but we're going to use this different closure here. So we're just going to cut the square frame, we're not going to touch these ones here. So I've got my little bits ready. I'm using some Grapefruit Grove and also the matching Grapefruit Grove paper. So I'll just run through the large frame here. You need 2 of them for your bag. They're already scored. Okay, these here, this is your sides, so you need 2 of them. Again, they're already scored, no problems there. The handles, you need 2 of them. They cut out really nice as well. And as I said, I've cut this bit for the closure, so I've cut 2 of them, and I've noticed that there's a little slit there when you cut them out, so I would imagine that is because you can then actually keep it closed, which is really cool. So the little oval here to sit the handles on, I've cut 4 of them in silver card, and this time instead of using the little buckle to look like a closure, I've cut out the little heart, and I've cut it out twice because when you cut it out you get a little heart that drops out of the middle. So I thought if I cut it out again and have 2 little hearts, I could then put them on top of what would look like the little clasps, which I thought would be a nice little touch. And then the paper, which I've cut just the plain frame and the inside plain frame there. I think I've just said that anyway, but yeah, I've cut 2 of them and I've cut 2 of them, so the front and the back. So we're going to start and put it together. So I'm just going to fold and burnish. As I said, it cuts really well, so lovely little bag, love this. Alright, so that's your front and back. Then your 2 side pieces, they go on the bottom, so you just want to reinforce the score lines. And then these bits here, I just kind of push that in a little bit, and then as you fold it you'll find that them 2 bits just point in anyway, because your bag's gonna go together like that. So just do the same with the other bit. the little handles, I just kind of give them a bit of a curl, not curl, but just kind of bend the paper a bit so they're easier to go into shape. Okay, so we've got 2 of them. So I'm going to start and put the paper on first. So that will just glue on like that. Alright, so we're going to start and glue this together. Actually, it might be best if we glue these on as well. Yeah, I think we'll pop these on. And they just go right at the very end, the edge of the bag. So don't put any on the heart, just the actual kind of frame piece. And you don't even really have to put any paper there, I suppose, if you're going to use it this way, but I just thought I would, just so I can still see a little bit of it underneath. So there we go. So take one of your little pieces, and what's going to happen is we are going to glue this to here, so line the score lines up. So just pop some glue on here, and then I'm lining the bottom score line up. Alright, and then take the other one and do the same with that. Just line it up with the bottom score line so they're level, so it's level there. Okay, so that's what you should have. And then get your other piece and just do the same as what you've been doing. So glue down there, whoops, not glue behind it, and then again just line, make sure the lines are level. You don't want a wonky bag. So make sure that's stuck. And then this bit will then glue to here. So then just some glue on there. And then just line it up. Basically that is your bag. So then you're going to decide which bit you want your front, which you want your back. I'm just going to have this as the front, so I'm going to put some glue onto here, and I'm going to stick that there, and then glue on here. And that's going to go down like that, and then I'm just going to press my bone folder inside to make sure it's all stuck. I mean, you could use tape as well if you prefer. So how sweet is that? And then I think what would happen is this would oh yeah, it even closes it. Wow, that is just so cute. How sweet. So the little hearts I'm going to glue just to make it look kind of just stand out a little bit more, I suppose. But you could maybe put a little gemstone or anything you want. Where's my other one? Yeah, that is just so sweet, and it does actually keep the bag closed, so I think that's a really cute little option to cut these two pieces out. Get this one straight. So there's the cute little hearts that I've put on. Now the handles, what I do is I take one of the handles and one of the little silver things, and I just put some glue on here, and then I'm not trying to get everything the same level, so I just glue this on here where I think it's, you know, relatively straight and even. Bit of glue on there. Okay, and then glue the one on the other side, just exactly the same as what we've just done. And I find this is much easier than gluing them on, then the handles on top of them, so I just do it in one. And then I put glue on the back of this, and then just where you want your handles, really, just somewhere there. You see, I just think it's much easier to do it this way. Glue on the back there. And just try and get it even, and then you're not having to, you know, stick the silver ones on, get them the same length level, then this on top, and then you would just do exactly the same. Okay, so there we go, and then this time I'm going to put the heart in the middle, you know, so it just looks like a kind of, well, just an extra decoration, I suppose. You don't have to put it on. Whoops. And there we go. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It is so cute. And I definitely think this closure is my favourite, because I mean, you could do them all in silver, in gold, glittery, whatever you want. So there's the other ones I made, and as I said, you would have to close that with a magnet or a glue dot or something, a Velcro dot. That way it closes it. So I hope that's helped you see a bit more of this gorgeous bag. That's my favourite. I love this. That is just absolutely adorable, and hope it's helped you put it together. It's really simple, and you've got a few options. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.